Hi, I'm Will from Designer Plants, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your artificial hedge. When you receive your designer hedge, it'll come in a box just like this, and all of the parts that you'll need will be inside the box. All you'll need to unbox it is a box cutter, and you'll also need a mallet to assemble the hedge. And once you've got everything out of the box, it's time to start assembling your hedge. The first step of assembling your hedge is putting the rods into the holes. You may need to use your mallet to secure it a little bit more. For your next step of assembling your hedge, all you'll need to do is you'll want to connect the rods from the other side of the hedge into the holes in the current side of the hedge that you're holding. And as you're doing so, making sure that the number 2 and the arrow is facing in the same direction as the number 2 and the arrow on the other piece of the hedge. As you finish, once it's put in, all you'll need to do is you can grab your mallet and you'll just hammer it in a little bit to secure it firmly. For your next step, we'll be attaching the side of the hedge. And all you'll need to do is place your hedge in an upright position, grab your side piece. You'll know it's a side piece by the number 2 and the arrow on the back of the hedge. And like before, all you'll need to do is make sure that the arrow and the number 2 are facing in the same direction as the panels on the front and the back of your hedge. To attach, simply press the holes on the corners of the hedge onto the lugs of the hedge itself. As you're doing so, make sure you do each diagonal first. Just to allow for a little bit of stretch, it'll make it just that little bit easier for you. And now we're going to do the top of the hedge. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to build your artificial hedge.